minute in this line.
It's loose.
Yeah. It reaches the minute mark 15 seconds too early.
Important note, that little nut in the middle is left-hand threads. Okay, here's a radical idea. Turn the power off and see what happens. Bingo!
The mechanical part is still working. Yep, still taking the power. And it's the action of the second hand is jumpier now.
You'll see it when I put the video up, but the instant you cut the power, this pawl released the balance wheel. And that answers the important question is, why are there teeth on the outside edge of the balance wheel? Does it need something for that?
You're definitely going to want to edit that video down a little bit.